Let me invite Mr. Jitendra Yadav, Sub-Divisional Magistrate, Bhanu Pratappur, Kanker district in Chhattisgarh. He would be sharing his best practices in his district of Kanker.
Good afternoon, everyone. As my session is just before lunch, so I hope it will be very challenging for me to engage all of you. I will try to do that. First of all, I would like to thank the organization team for inviting me here. I will be discussing Kanker Panchayat Sachivalaya with all of you. It is an e-governance based module. Basically, it is for me, it is like breaking the silos, as our Honorable Prime Minister have mentioned many times, and connecting the dots. Connecting the dots means all the public departments are already present in all the states. But we have often seen that people are running from pillar to post because their works are not being done on time. So this initiative, Kanker Panchayat Sachivalaya, was taken to ensure that we can connect all the different departments and we can bring governance at the doorstep of the people. So my collector Chandan Kumar sir has taken this initiative back in July 2021 when we were facing COVID issue, and it was the time when people were not allowed to come out of their home and government officials were working from home. So most of the time, the grievance of the people were not redressed at the time. So I will try to discuss the project in four things. Why there was a need of the project. Second, what is the project, and then how the mechanism, how it functions, and then accountability mechanisms and the report card, that is the result we have produced in the time, and future, what we hope from this project in future. So need of Gram Sachivalaya, it is a mobile based application module. First of all, why there is a need? Because we all know Chhattisgarh, especially my district, it is in North Bastar. It is being challenged by the problem of Naxalism. And my district, it's a huge district. There are 7 blocks, 454 Gram Panchayats, 1069 villages. There are like various Tola and Bharris around the Panchayat. There are dependent village and more than 7 lakh population. You won't believe that it's like 170 kilometer the farthest village from the district headquarters. So it must have been very difficult for a person to come to the district and redress their problems. So this initiative was taken that we are moving back to the people rather than people are coming to our office. Second, I have already mentioned that it's a Naxal affected region. Third, we know that officials are there at the grassroots level, but there was no mechanism to ensure their accountability, monitoring their presence at the grassroots level. Then their accountability is being fixed by online e-governance mechanism. Then we all know that there are various schemes of the government, but people are not well aware about the schemes. For an example, we could hear that about farmer mandis. In the report in 2016, it was only 7% of the people, they were aware about the MSP price of different crops. So there is a huge gap between the government and the people. Finally, this is the most important thing, that when we are talking about strengthening our democracy, it is the local self-governance, panchayat levels, who are to be strengthened. And it is that thing that is focusing on the Gram Panchayat level, that officials are moving towards panchayat rather than people are coming towards office. What is this project? This is a mobile based project. It has been established with the help of NIC. You all can see that there are a login mechanism for different nodal officers. Gram Sachiv is the most important person at the local level. It is a mobile application developed by District Administration Kanker. Actually, in the next slide, I will tell you how it functions. This is in Google Play Store, it is available there. How it functions is that there are different stakeholders. First of all, citizen, the most important part of this. Then Panchayat Sachiv, like actually we have done that every week in 455 Panchayats. We have ensured that once a week Gram Sachivalaya will take place in one Panchayat. So all the nodal officers, local officers will visit there. They will be sitting around there, and there will be Munadi in village. Munadi is like one day before this. गांव में बताया जाता है कि अभी सभी लोग आने वाले हैं, तो कल आपके यहाँ पे तो सभी लोग टाइम से आते हैं. गांव में जितने भी लोग हैं जिनको पेंशन के इशू हैं, जो भी लोग हैं वो आगे मैं आपको बताऊंगा. फिर लोकल फंक्शनिंग जो हम लोग देखते हैं, हमारे पटवारी हैं या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हैं, हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हैं, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हैं, सोशल वेलफेयर फॉर पेंशन स्कीम्स, तो सभी लोग जो ग्रास रूट लेवल पे हैं उन लोग को किसी को पता नहीं रहता कि मेरे यहाँ का इलेक्ट्रिक लाइनमैन कौन है, पटवारी कहाँ पे बैठता है. नाउ वी हैव एंश्योर्ड दैट दोज पीपल आर मूविंग एट द ग्राम पंचायत सचिवालय, दैट इज अ पंचायत बिल्डिंग. And one nodal officer is appointed by the district collector, sir. Like there are 455 panchayats, so there are equal number of nodal officers. Their responsibility is to ensure that these people are coming at the panchayat sachivalaya, ensure that the effective awareness mechanism was being done at the grassroots level, that this mechanism is being held, and also these nodal officers are to present a report, village resource mapping about the gram panchayat, that is how many hand pumps are there, how many electric poles are there which are not in functional mode, how many मतलब mid day meal scheme school का खाना कैसा है. So they will go, when they will go to panchayats, they will ensure that they are eating food at school, so that people who are involved in this can't misappropriate the facts to them. Then district level monitoring. Collector sir has ensured that every week there is a TL meeting in district, that is time limit meeting. So these nodal officers will be coming to the meeting, and around 2 hours will be spent on their presence, how the problems were being resolved. We ensure that एक वीक में जब कहीं से प्रॉब्लम आती है तो अगले वीक वहाँ जाने से पहले हम वो प्रॉब्लम को रिजोल्व कर पाएँ, क्योंकि वो जो ट्रस्ट गैप है वरना फिर वो बढ़ जाता है. हम लोग इंश्योर करते हैं कि एक वीक में वो चीज़ हम लोग कर पाएँ. ये डाटा फ्लो मैकेनिज्म है यहाँ पे. ये कोई भी सिटीजन अपनी ग्रीवेंस को लेके अपने पंचायत सचिवालय में आता है, और वहाँ पे जो ग्राम सचिव है वो उसकी एप्लीकेशन को मोबाइल के थ्रू अपडेट करता है, और जो नोडल ऑफिसर है वो उसको लॉगिन करके चेक कर सकता है कि ये किस डिपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड है. वो एप्लीकेशन डायरेक्टली कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट में जाता है, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे कलेक्टर सर इसको डायरेक्टली देख सकते हैं कि किस डिपार्टमेंट की एप्लीकेशन कितने टाइम से पेंडिंग है. और अगर बाय चांस कोई एप्लीकेशन दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में गलती से चले जाता है तो वो दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट को ट्रांसफर कर सकता है. वी ट्राई टू एंश्योर दैट वी डू रिजोल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स विद इन 1 week by the time we go again at the panchayat level. These are the number of services we provide at the sachivalaya. It is like caste certificate. I would like to mention that in the last 7 months, we have provided 22,000 caste certificate to tribal people. Mind it, these are the people who can't avail government benefits because of the lack of caste certificates. Then birth certificate, we have ensured that within 24 hours we are doing it. Then marriage certificate, undisputed revenue cases, like after death of a family member, then they don't have to book a vakil and go into the tehsil office. If it is an undisputed case, it will be resolved at the panchayat level only. Then I have mentioned hand pump repair. It is very important for us to know that we sitting here don't know the problem about water faced in the village. People are forced to drink water from the rivers directly, which may be contaminated. It is called झरिया वाटर, झरिया का पानी पी रहे हैं लोग. तो हैंडपम्प गांव में होते हैं लेकिन उनका रिपेयरमेंट नहीं होता है काफ़ी टाइम से. सो द नोडल ऑफिसर हु इज गोइंग देयर विल एंश्योर कि जितने भी हैंडपम्प्स या पीने के पानी के मैकेनिज्म है वो यहाँ पे हम लोग टाइम पे कंप्लीट कर पाएँ और रिपेयर कर पाएँ. सो दीज आर द नंबर ऑफ स्कीम्स. आई विल कीप माई प्रेजेंटेशन हियर, यू कैन सी इट. These are the objectives that ensure transparency, accountability of the officials to the people, and moving the governance at the doorstep. These are the accountability mechanisms, that daily phone calls are being made from the panchayat department to all the nodal officers, whether they are going there. then physically verified attendance at the ground level, then the TL meeting, BDO and CO Janpads are being tasked to ensure that all people are present there. Then this is the result, that online, after coming online, we have ensured these much of application being successfully resolved, and before this around 9,000 applications were resolved before this online application was made. So these are some of the reports from newspaper. These are the meetings in the Panchayat Bhavan. This is the inspection by the nodal officers. These are the inspection by collectors or district level officials, random inspection. These are the duty rosters. This is a departmental login. You can see that it is available on the Play Store. How and where, who can see these applications. Inspection, people who are nodal, they can inspect उसका status अभी क्या है, और this is information about us. Thank you.
That was Sub-Divisional Magistrate भानु प्रतापपुर श्री जितेंद्र यादव. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जितेंद्र जी आपका.